Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is Vlogmas 2024, day 8. So, as promised, well, one of my honeys reminded me that I said I would review these new ramen noodles I bought. So, this is what I got. It's the Nongshim brand. You'll see it. Shin black beef bone broth premium ramen noodles. I got this from Walmart. And this pack of 4 bags cost about $8. Okay, and I also got the chicken broth. Same brand, but it's chicken flavor. And I'm serving it in my premium Korean stone bowl. My sister bought me and Walter for Christmas, so we each got a bowl. Okay, what I like about these noodles, haven't tasted it yet, but they're round and they fit perfectly in this bowl. Put the bowl in the microwave. So I'm going to show y'all how this looks. Okay, here's a new ramen noodle that I'll be making. I saw somebody review it on YouTube. Actually, it was 3 chefs reviewing all the ramen noodles. And they really liked this one. So I said, I got to get me some because I like ramen noodles. So this comes with 3 flavor packets. One is actually a vegetable mix. And these are seasoning packets. So I'm not going to use all this because I never use a whole packet. And I'll be using my stoneware bowl. And I'm going to put this in the microwave. Although I can put it on the stove, but I'm scared. Just a minute. Okay, this is what the 3 packets look like. The orange looking powder came from the red packet, and I didn't use all of it because I don't want it to be too salty. The light seasoning came from the gold packet. I didn't use all of it either. And the other one I used all of it is the vegetable mix. And I do recognize mushrooms, and I can't recognize anything else. So they say put the noodles on top of that. It fits in this bowl perfectly, y'all. Look at there. Now I'm going to pour the water in and put it in the microwave. I actually like my ramen noodles to be soupy because I like the broth. That's why I never make it too salty. Okay, I'm sticking it in the microwave. They say for 7 minutes. So I'll see how the noodles look. Okay. I'll be back. I'm actually putting this on a plate to put in the microwave, so I'll be able to lift this out of here because this bowl is going to be hot. I have to take this top off. Oh. Came with 3 packets that you put in there. So I just use a little bit of the seasoning packets and I put the whole vegetable packet in. That's how it came. Okay, I'm going to take this off. Okay, I'm going to show y'all. I didn't put the lid in the microwave, but it's hot too. It's steaming up. So this is how it looks. And I like the broth. And it got the vegetables in there. Got mushrooms and some more stuff I don't recognize. Let's see, that's a mushroom, a real thin slice. And I'll let this cook about 6 minutes. in the microwave. Okay. So I'm going to taste it. I'm kind of scared to taste something for the first time on camera. Here goes. And I had to take, I had put this whole thing, the bowl, on a plate and put it in the microwave. So the plate actually did get hot too. So I had to use these oven gloves. And then I see why they gave, the tray came with it. Because I wouldn't dare sit this on my table. I have a glass table. And if somebody got a wooden table or a nice table, don't set this hot bowl on your furniture, y'all. Use the tray that comes with it, or even a plate or something. Because this bowl is very hot. So, and I didn't use all the seasoning packets. That's enough seasoning for me. I don't know what kind of vegetable that was, but it tastes good. These noodles are actually good. They taste different from the 25-cent a pack noodles. And these have very excellent slurpability. I'm not going to be on here slurping in front of y'all. This tastes good. Wow. Next time I will use a little more of the seasoning. But this don't taste like that regular packet of seasoning in the regular ramen noodles. This is a lot. Wow. I'm amazed at how these were the perfect size. These are round, not the square ramen noodles that we're used to. The whole thing is round. Oh, wow. I understand. Okay, this one was actually the broth, the beef bone broth. No, this wasn't. This was the vegetables. I do recognize the mushrooms and nothing else. This one says seasoning mix. Oh, this is the bean bone broth seasoning mix. The one in the gold packet. And this one tastes good, y'all. It's good. So, I'm gonna go off camera and finish my noodles. So they are very good. And I don't think I will buy the cheap ones again. This is good. And next time, I think I'll throw some corn in here and some more stuff. Maybe a little cheese. Maybe some red pepper. Trying to get this. And this bowl is piping hot, but the tray isn't. The lid is, since it was sitting on top of this. And I'm eating with plastic because I don't want to scratch up the finish. This is delicious. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching my taste test review of the Shin Black Beef Bone Broth Premium Ramen Noodles by Nongshim. Nongshim. Wow. This would be a meal, y'all. I put some shredded chicken up in there and some more stuff. That can be a meal. It's gonna be a meal. So 4 packets come in here, but you can't buy them from Amazon, but they're really expensive. So go to Walmart. But I'll put the link, the Amazon link in it, just in case y'all can't get to Walmart or y'all can't get this. So I'm sure I will like the chicken flavored broth just as much. That's usually what I always get. When I get ramen noodles, I get the chicken flavor or the creamy chicken flavor or the spicy chicken flavor. Nice. Packaged up very nicely. And I'm surprised. But anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Let's see what I should hold up. This. I don't want to drop this hot stuff on me.